Everybody, it's Seth Jones, editorial director for Landscape Management Magazine. Can you just kind of tell me about what it is that you guys pulled off recently here in Guatemala?
We've been supporting the Save Water, Give Life initiative for the past 10 or 15 years. Something that is near and dear to our heart, and essentially has been something that is in our core DNA, if you will, here at Weathermatic.
Like, give me a little behind the scenes logistics of how this looks and how it plays out.
So we spend half of our time doing training with the local community to really develop an idea around sanitation and hygiene.
They aren't small classroom sizes. It was a few hundred kids
Wow.
on the play yard with us, doing these hygiene classes, and then a little bit of like playing soccer, football, if you will, with the kids. So wasn't all work. There was some fun in there too.
Good.
And then, leaving the school, going back to the drilling site, a couple of the kids lived in the houses near where we were drilling. So they'd come out and watch us work and hang out with us. So it was also a really, really good opportunity for us to practice and use our Spanish.
So when it was all said and done, it's time to pack up. How's that? What's that emotion like when you know that you're not going to see these folks again, but you left a lasting impression on them?
The surprising thing was the really, truly beautiful thing. And that was, it was women in this community. I think that was the most, I almost don't even know how to say it. It was one of the most shockingly beautiful parts of it was the way when we showed up, how excited they were, knowing that a lot of these women who would later on invite us into their homes and were just so honored to even have us, like us preparing our meals in their kitchens and being able to show us where they live, and knowing that it was them who formed the committee. It was them who submitted the application to get the well. They were the ones who had done a lot of the legwork to apply for the living water well to begin with, and then to have them be so warm and so welcoming.
Because a lot of these folks have been praying for clean water all their lives. And we're talking 60, 70-year-old ladies that have just been praying to God that they would have clean water before their lifetime is over. And so you're representing the fulfillment of that prayer.
Yeah, it was just very life-changing and moving, I think, for all of us to experience it and make a difference in the world.